In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Wrike, and it should only take about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Wrike. Once you've reached the Wrike homepage, you'll either want to log in if you already have an account, or if you're new to Wrike, you can click on Try Wrike for free. This will guide you through setting up an account, though today, we're going to assume you already have one. After logging in, you'll find yourself in your Wrike workspace. Here, look to the sidebar where you should see your profile picture. Click on that, and it will open a drop-down menu for you. You'll want to select Settings from this list, which will conveniently open up your profile settings. This is where you can customize quite a few elements to suit your needs. Now, once you're inside the profile settings, scroll down until you see the Language and Region section under Workspace Settings. This is the part where you can tailor various regional settings, including date formats, to match your preferences or organizational standards. Next, look for the Date Format option. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu full of different date formats. Take your time to review the choices carefully. Whether you're more comfortable with day, month, year, month, day, year, or year, month, day formats, whatever suits your needs is likely available here. Choose whichever option feels right for your team or your personal preference. And once you've made your selection, it's crucial to remember, you'll want to lock in your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. This final step ensures that your new date format is applied and visible wherever dates appear in Wrike. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to update your date settings in Wrike, ensuring everything displays just how you prefer. It's a simple, yet fundamental customization, especially if you're part of a global team or simply have a particular format you're used to working with. Changing your date format not only makes it easier to read project timelines, but also helps maintain consistency across your team's interactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.